Hello, my foodies. This is your girl Avis again. Tonight we are eating like sauteed shrimp and like a tomato-based sauce. It's really good. I'm going to tear it up, and then I have a little bit of chicken curry, and of course my water. So I'm waiting for people to join. It's about that time, right? Where people can join. Hello. A little rice there. It's really good. How's you all's day going today? Mine is good. Spent all day outside with my wonderful son. The sauce with the rice. Where are my foodies? That wasn't me. There's a little boy on the side of me here, eating also.
Hi.
Hi, Jeremiah.
If you're a big fan of Pokemon, then
Pokemon?
what's in this Pokeball? I don't know what the name of this Pokeball is. And can you name this Pokeball and the Pokemon that's inside? Write in the comments below what you think it is. Pokey out.
My son, he loves Pokemon right now. He's into that. The best part of me. And the shrimp are cooked perfectly. I'll tell you, I love good food. It says it's starting, but I don't know. I have to eat. I'm hungry. I like to get the shrimp with the head on it because it's so juicy. It gets all the flavor and the juices in there. I'm gonna have to get another tripod, guys, for my light. I need a light because it's so dark. It keeps saying just starting live video. I wonder if that means I have 2 pages, guys. So if you hear me talking, because I'm reading stuff while I'm feeding myself this good food and trying to peel this shrimp. I'm having a tough time here. How's your food, Jeremiah? Good? All right. He's stuffing his face now. We see it. I don't know whether It has to get approved here or what? Add a little bit of this curry to the other side of my rice. This is like Thai curry. So it looks a little different there. It's like bamboo shoots in it. But I love Thai food, you guys know that. I said that in my last video. Thai food is my thing. I cook Thai food too. I do. Spring rolls, larb, basil chicken. Yes, that is good. That is good. I love this Thai food. I love my food too. Oh, goodness gracious. You wanna eat? My husband's helping me shoot my videos, guys. He's my light man. Bright lights are all. Why is it still saying starting? It's so good. I don't so understand. My 7-year-old is trying to talk without talking. It's the most craziest thing to me. I wonder, is there something else that I need to do here with this? That's my Jeremiah.
Yes. And if you pause this video to write what Pokemon you thought if you chose Slimex, then you were correct.
How are people supposed to choose a Pokemon, honey? When they don't know.
It's a secret.
And so many of them.
Yes. So it's a secret. That makes it a surprise on the video.
I love the juice in the heads. So good. So my son's birthday is actually coming up, and he wants to go to this seafood restaurant for his birthday. Also, Chuck E. Cheese. Also, maybe a trampoline place. He has so many dreams and wishes. I hope my pockets can make all those dreams come true. Can you hand me a paper towel? Thank you. Thank you. It's a little spicy. It is. But I do like a little kick in my food though. I do. This is good. This is good, and I'm hungry too, you know? Long day. They're hanging out in DC, like block parties, a lot of hot dogs, a lot of chips. Yes, I do eat my my shrimp legs. Because they're soft. They have a little meat in it. I like that. No meat left behind. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube page. Soulful Treats. So good. So good. It's hard to make a video with a 7-year-old around, but it's okay. We have fun. I'm so plain Jane now, guys. I had to shower. It was hot today in DC. It was hot. But I met some great people. I also met some new friends. I let him listen to rap music today. He was in shock. You're like, what? He's 7. My kid's been listening to it since they were 8 months. Well, no, not mine. We're more of a Mozart type of family. Yeah. Surprise! Woo-hoo. So nobody's coming on my live. It's okay. All that juice, every little morsel of it. What a wonderful Saturday evening. You're still able to see some of the shrimp. They're going down. So, for these shrimp, right, I use like tomato paste, onion, of course my garlic, and some good old Maggi. I don't know if y'all know what Maggi is, but it's like I learned about it from Africa. Well, before Africa, my husband he used it a lot, but they use it a lot in Africa. It's like the African seasoning salt, and it's wonderful. There's now I put it in everything. I'm putting it in everything. Son, I think they already seen it. And I forgot about my curry. It's okay. I'm getting into these shrimp. Mmm. Yes. Tasty. How many of y'all watch Orange is the New Black? So sad to see it go off. I watched the season finale yesterday. And it was so good. Comment below what shows you guys like to watch on Netflix or Amazon Prime. I do that too. I do when I find the time. I don't watch regular TV, but somehow I find the time to watch like Netflix and stuff. Like when everyone's asleep. I'm up till like 12 o'clock. I'm watching Netflix or Amazon Prime. Yep. That's me.